Hi, I'm Rob from Verstegen.
And I'm Matt Inskip from DL.
And what we're going to do in this section is create ready-to-heat dishes. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be seasoning one bowl of chicken with a certain spice mix. This we're using chap choy composition, a favourite of the butchers for many years now. My colleague here, Matt, is seasoning away. Get your hands dirty there, Matt.
All right.
So as you can see, my right-hand man here, Matt, has seasoned the diced chicken with the chap choy composition. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to place the diced chicken into a boilable vacuum bag. The top tip here is if you stand the bag in a large measuring jug, it just makes it easy to fill.
Even I can do this.
Even Matt can do this. That's it, so we just flatten it out so it's all a level bag, and that then goes to the vacuum sealer. Thanks, Matt. So that's the bag now sealed. So we're going to take a piece of probe pad, add it to the center of the chicken. Once the chicken is cooked and removed from the oven, we can then take an external temperature from within the bag for your HACCP. So this is our cooked chilled chicken that we've drained off. We've pulled it apart, separated it, and now we're going to create a luxurious black bean chicken.
And it's so easy to do as well, isn't it? So all we'll do into there is add in the vegetables.
Thinly cut oriental vegetables.
Lovely stuff. And then it's just a case of adding in the sauce. So I'll do the honours, I think.
Off you go, Matt.
Lovely job. So we're just going to spoon in the black bean sauce.
It is.
I've got one more. We like plenty of gravy.
Up north, you love plenty of gravy.
Right. And then just a nice gentle fold just to bring all this together. You don't want to overwork it. Obviously, we've cooked the chicken previously, so it will break apart if you overwork it too much. It's a real nice fold just to bring it all together. There we go. We'll call that a portion.
There we go. Let's finish that with some chopped spring onion.
That's really brought it to life now, hasn't it?
Finish it with some lovely sesame seeds.
Oh, even better.
Perfect.
Lovely job. Smashing. I mean, that is perfect. But, I mean, we've also created some other dishes here.
We have indeed.
So we've got the black pepper chicken, done exactly the same way. We used it out of the same bag of chicken that we cooked. And we've also done what I think is my personal favourite, the sweet and sour. I mean, that just looks incredible, doesn't it, Rob?
Does indeed, yeah. So we've created 3 dishes with 1 bag of chicken. So this is how a butcher would present them as in a serve over counter, but you've also got the option there of decanting them into foil trays, ready to...
Yeah, they're easy, ready to go for the customer.
Exactly, yeah.
Well, I think Danny's getting hungry now, so we better heat them up and do a bit of a taste test, haven't we?
Is he thinking about his stomach again?
I think so. I can hear it rumbling. There's Danny now.
Here comes the hungry one.
Hey guys.
Let's let him in.
Let him in.
Oh wow, this looks very impressive, this. Yeah, so what the flavours got here to remind me? We get
Sweet and sour?
this is a sweet and sour.
Yeah. Asian black pepper.
Right.
Then we've got the black bean on the end here.
You've nicked my fork, Danny. I'm going to take this one.
Lovely stuff. I'm going to get stuck into that one.
The chicken's really nice and moist. And that's the beauty of cooking in a bag, isn't it? You've got 3 flavours here, 3 dishes from 1 set of chicken. Cooked chicken.
Perfect balance of sweet and sour.
Oh yeah.
Oriental black pepper.
Oriental black pepper.
This is mixed with the sweet and sour.
The chicken is so tender.
It is incredible. Yeah, to be honest with you, I thought the sweet and sour would be my favourite, but I think you've changed my mind with that one, Rob.
Ooh.
All that pepper comes in the end, doesn't it? Really.
Really
That's the quality of the
flavour.
Verstegen pepper. Yeah.
Now this one I thought looked superb in the counter.
Oh,
And
yeah.
the glossiness of that one. That's
Yeah.
the black bean one, isn't it?
Oh, it's got such a shine on it. I mean, look at
Looks
that.
good when it's all nice and heated up and cooked as well. This concept really opens up many opportunities for butchers, isn't it? I mean, even change what you mentioned about changing the spice mix in the chicken.
Yep.
You can have a range
That's
of
all it
curries.
takes.
You can do all sorts, couldn't you?
Yep.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Traditional British gravy dinners,
Yes.
using spice mix
Yeah.
for chicken. Yeah, it's endless
And
possibilities.
it cooked quite quickly as well because the chicken's already pre-cooked, isn't
Already
it?
pre-cooked.
Yeah,
Already
that's it, yeah.
pre-cooked.
Yeah. Oh, excellent job, boys.
Right, it's absolutely
Enjoyed
perfect. Well, I'm going to take this one, and I'll see you lads later.
See you, Matt.